guys, welcome to Bargains with Love. My name is Lana and today I have another mystery box unboxing for you. So today we have this large HBA box from Catchndealz, and HBA stands for Health and Beauty. Let's see what we got in this box. So watch till the end of this video. At the end, I'm going to total all the numbers, give you the average cost of goods in this box, and then I will also try to put screenshots for all of the items for you so you can see how much they're selling for on platforms like eBay. And that way, at the end of the video, we can figure out if this box is profitable or not and can we make any money with it. So let's go ahead and open it with my handy dandy knife here. There we go. Woo! Here we go. Okay. So first thing I see here is two big bags. Whoops, upside down. Two big bags of the Ricola, the original natural herb cough drops, and this is a big bag, 130 drops. It looks like I have two of them. Yay! Okay, next we have Ancestry DNA kit. So we had some of this before that we sold. This one, let me see if it's sealed. This one does not seem to be sealed, so that's not a good thing. So I'm not sure if we can sell this one because it's not sealed, but everything is in there though. So all the things that's supposed to be in there, including the code for activating your kit, is in there. So open box. All right, next we have this mystery brown box. Let's see what's in here. Oh, okay. So look inside, there are bottles of something. Okay, it says tea tree spearmint room spray, peppermint tea tree spearmint rosemary room spray. Okay, so we have 3 of them. On the bottom it says retail price was $10, and this is from Target. Okay, next, all right, here we have masks, anti-aging green tea masks, and this is a set of 10. Okay, next we have essential oils in a box like this. It's open. No, it's sealed. It seems to be sealed, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave it like this. So, okay. Okay, what's this right here? Summer foot, the perfect foot wonder foot masks. Okay, this box is kind of messed up. It's all open and everything. Yeah, I don't know about this one. All right, so then it looks like we have 2 of these. These are, the brand is called Goli Nutrition Ashwagandha Gummies. Have you guys ever heard of ashwagandha gummies? I haven't, but I'm sure they're good for something. Cool, I got 2 of them. Okay, next we have kids multivitamin gummies. Okay, nice. Oh, we have 2 of them. Okay, then this right here, Skin Kitten. Sugar melons, Shane sugar. Ooh, this boob scrub. That's interesting. Never seen that before. Nice. Okay, what's this right here? Lavender scrub. Majestic Pure Cosmeceuticals. Okay, body scrub. Ooh, we got some Zyrtec. Allergy season is here, so Zyrtec is good. I like that. Expires 12/22. And today is January of 22. There's another one, another Zyrtec. That's great. Then we got a bunch of toothbrushes. Just individual toothbrushes like that. Okay, this is Splint wrist brace. Lightweight, breathable design for a left hand. All right, let's look at this big big multi-collagen chocolate flavor powder. So this is Biden vitamin C collagen. Expires in August of 2023. Yay! That's good. Okay, and then there's another one. Another one like this. So these are good. I like to get this kind of stuff that sells. Okay, let's see what else we have. Alright, vinyl gloves. PPE. 100 gloves, size large. Okay. Another one of those food masks. Alright. Perfect Clean Cleaning Solution Refill. I don't know what it's for. It says expires 11/23. Looks like this. But I'm not sure what it's for, so I'm sure we'll find out. Lulu's Brow Stamp, medium brown. Interesting. Okay, children's pain and fever medicine. And this one expires 6 of 2023. So a good deal, it's not expired. Here's some of the boob scrub. Okay, eyebrow stamp. Another thing of eyebrow stamp. But I think this is a different brand. This one expires in 2024. I didn't know eyebrow stamps expire, but I guess they do. Okay, this right here is tongue cleaner. Okay, people. You gotta clean your tongue. Okay, this is a first aid kit. It says that it has 21 items for traveling. So pretty good for traveling. Okay, this right here is in the bubble wrap, but it says organic collagen serum. Okay, that's a good one. Alright, hot slim cream. Powerful slimming, fat burner, cellulite and body firming cream. Okay, also expires in 2024, so still good for 2 more years. This right here is a dark spot corrector, skin correcting hyperpigmentation treatment by the brand called Brilena. Expires sometime in 2022. I can't read it very well right now. Okay, so then we have 3 of these Alberto VL5 conditioning hairdressing, normal to dry hair. 2 of these boxes are kind of squished, and this one is good. Alright. Then here's some more of this hot slim cream. Okay, let's see what else we got. No drip nasal spray, and this is an Amazon brand. Alright. Okay, what's this? Infrared thermometer. No contact forehead infrared thermometer. Okay. Let's see this kind of a big box right here. Avistar Advanced Antibacterial Retainer Cleaning Tablets. Okay, 150 tablets for cleaning retainers. Okay. Then we have this Nano Botanics 24K Silver Pro Collagen Advanced Treatment. Well, these are probably expensive, but we'll see. Another toothbrush. Okay, here we have tongue, the original tongue gel, fresh mint. So this is the special brush and the gel for cleaning your tongue. Okay, what is this? It's a mystery package. Suffocation warning, trap signature home collection. Something. Maybe it's a candle. Let's see. Whew. Trap fills the room with fragrance. Burmese wood fragrance candle. But I actually don't like the smell. It's masculine. But it's probably a nice quality candle. Fat Boy something. Fat Boy Hair Sea Salt Pomade. Okay. Then we have 2 of these large Band-Aid adhesive pads. We got a big bottle of Indian Catchndealz mustard oil. Have you ever seen anything like this before? This is oil for external use. Help. Well, no, it doesn't say help. Yeah, I don't know. Expires in November of 2022. Okay, what is this? This is a bunch of tampons, I think. These tampons, hold on. No, these are not tampons, you guys. This is refreshment towel, lavender essential oil. So these are like refreshment towels with this lavender oil. That's kind of cool. I mean, that's a big bag. A big bag. I don't know how that would sell. I'm not sure. We'll see. Here's another one of those sets for brushing your tongue. Okay, 2 of these biotin soft gels with coconut oil. So these are good. Ultrasonic dental calculus remover. Calculus? That's a good thing to have. That way you can save money. You don't have to go to the dentist. You can do it yourself at home. Okay, here we go. The ordinary direct acids. AHA 30%, BHA 2% peeling solution, 10-minute exfoliating facial. We got 2 of these. I wonder if these are expensive. We'll find out. Stay tuned to the end of the video because I'm going to scan every item and I'm going to put the screenshots for you guys so you can see how much they're selling for on eBay and how much money we can make from this box. Okay, here we have 2 of these. Girl Hair Under Hair Care Refresh. The first line of hair care products formulated for natural and relaxed hair under protective styles. So, hair product. Here's another brow stamp by Lulo's. Okay. Here's a bottle of something. Preoperative skin preparation solution. It looks like iodine. Yeah, it says iodine. Yeah, I don't know if we'll be able to sell iodine. Ooh, and it's leaking. I don't know. Okay, Bio Oil Skincare Oil. The box is kind of messed up. We actually used to have a stock of these that I got at Quick Lots bin store one time, a whole bunch of, and we eventually sold them, all of them, so they do sell pretty well. Okay, here's another 24K Silver Pro Collagen treatment. Another box of those retainer cleaning tablets. It's always nice to get more than one of each item. Here's another first aid kit. And this right here is Whitening Complete Care Toothpaste by Himalaya Botanique. Alright, some nice toothpaste. And the last item in the box, and it's kind of a big box. Ta-da! Okay, so this is, the brand is called Jofei Fashion. One coat gel kit, focus on nail gel color. So, it's sealed. And this is the last item in the box, you guys. The box is now empty. So, what do you think? Let's go ahead and count all the items. Then I will scan everything, and at the end of the video I will just put all of the screenshots one after another to show you every product, how much it sells for on eBay, and then we'll have a total at the end of how much we can make on this box. Comment down below and let me know what you think about this box. So we get this from wholesale website, the Catchndealz Wholesale website. They have a regular website and they also have a wholesale website for resellers. In order to buy from their wholesale website, you have to have a reseller certificate. And they have the information. If you're interested in that, you can contact them. With the wholesale website, the benefit is that you don't pay any sales tax on the items that you buy. And a lot of times when they make new mystery boxes, or if they have new products, they put it first on their wholesale website for resellers like myself. And so it's actually a really good way of sourcing. We like buying from Catchndealz because they're very reliable. They ship super fast. Their products are good. We usually make money on all of their boxes, on the mystery boxes that we get. And we also like to buy individual products from their website as well. So thank you so much for watching again. Let's go ahead and move on to the next portion where we'll see all the totals and the screenshots.